I just want to say, and I want to make this so clear, trading is not easy, it is hard. But if you lock in and you really listen to everything that I've said in this video so far, you can generate some serious income when it comes to trading. Hey guys, I hope you're all well and staying blessed. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some tips that I wish I come across when I was beginning trading. So first things first is discover your why. Why do you want to start to trade? Is it because you want financial abundance? Is it because you want to generate extra income? Is it because you have debt that you want to clear? There could be any reason why, like you might even want to pay off your university loan. You might want to help out your family. There could be anything. You first need to discover your why. If you're coming into trading thinking, I'm going to get rich overnight, this is literally going to be a millionaire overnight success scheme, that is not how it works. And here's why. You can't make a million overnight unless you are like super lucky. Like there are people that can do that, and they are super lucky. But when it comes to trading, it really boils down to mindset. And a lot of people actually don't want to hear that. Like I remember when I first started trading, I definitely didn't think that mindset had anything to do with trading. And I was blowing account after account. I remember I put my first £100 in, blew it, £300 blew it, £700 blew it. I was just blowing account after account. And that is just all down to mindset. So learn from me that you really have to focus on your mindset when it comes to trading. And that's why I'm so heavy on like this motivational / mindset segment of me giving you guys that with my YouTube channel, because there is so many people out there showing their strategies and showing you how to get in and out of the market. But where are the people that are really giving mindset content? And you might be like, what do you mean by mindset though, Katie? Well, what I mean by mindset is if you're super negative or you have a really negative outlook on money, you probably will not make no money from trading. And that is the truth. And that's because your perception of money is evil. You're gonna look up to people that are like wealthy and you're gonna think you don't deserve wealth. If you have a really negative mindset towards money, you will not be able to make money when trading. Also, just being a consistent person and disciplined is going to help you and benefit you so much in the long run. If you can be disciplined and consistent in the gym, and I will always say the gym, because when I really was consistent and disciplined in the gym, that's when trading absolutely changed for me. If you can show up to the gym every day or every other day, and you can be disciplined in how you want your body to be that desired goal, and you can like eat well and be healthy, you are going to be such a good trader because you are already showing in your life that you can be consistent and disciplined. Mindset is also when showing up to the charts. If you are going through anything bad, like you could be going through a breakup, a divorce, you could be in debt, you could literally have an argument with your parent or your sister, or you've just had a massive argument with the bin man because he didn't take out the bins properly. You're gonna show up to the charts, you're gonna be angry, you're gonna be annoyed, and you're gonna end up just placing trades just for the sake of it. Your mindset really has to be in the right place for you to have a really good outcome when it comes to trading. Then I will move on to using free resources. Like there are, and everyone talks about it, there are free resources like Baby Pips. Baby Pips is great for someone that's just trying to figure out what type of trader you want to be. And when I mean what type of trader you do want to be, that is a great question that you need to know the answer to. I trade currency, so I love trading the GBP JPY, which is GJ, the pound and the yen. I also love to trade Euro USD, which is the euro and the dollar, and I love to trade the pound versus the dollar. They're like my three top pairs. Some people will trade commodities, some people will trade stock options, some people will trade crypto. There are so many different terms of trading, so you really need to figure out what you want to trade, because if you want to learn how to be a currency trader, then obviously watching me is going to benefit you, but going and watching someone else's content on like stock options, it's going to be very different. So once you have figured out what type of trader you want to be, you can then go on to Baby Pips. Back to what I was saying, you can go on Baby Pips, you can use the website and learn like the free basic stuff when it comes to trading. It's kind of like a little game, like just go on there, like do the quizzes, learn some basic stuff. But what I will say is, it's really hard to say figure out what you want to trade, because until you actually are in the markets, you're not going to know what type of market conditions you like. I would say start with Euro USD if you're a beginner, because it's smooth, it's not volatile, it's slow, but it's also a lovely pair to trade. Euro USD is very beginner friendly, so I would look at anything to do with the euro and the US dollar, anything on there. Don't start looking at like the New Zealand dollar and learning about all of these different currencies that you don't need to know, because I definitely did that when I was on Baby Pips. I started to learn stuff that I don't use now, and you're just giving your brain like a content overload and you don't need it. Don't spend too much time on Baby Pips because it's very minimal and basic. I would just say go on there for like 2 or 3 days, just understand what trading is, understand currency or whatever it is that you want to trade, and understand like a little bit more backstory on trading. The next thing you want to do is go onto YouTube and find yourself a trader that you like, someone that's personality you like, because if you watch someone, they've got good content. If they're an absolute a-hole, then I'm sorry, but you're going to pick up their negative energy and you're just going to be like, ugh, because I definitely did that. I definitely come across like people and I'm like, your style was nice, but I just can't click with you. It's like a friendship, right? Someone might be like really beautiful, but you can't judge beauty, because by the end of the day, they could have a really horrible personality and you don't want to get involved with that. So find someone that you click with, someone that has like good energy, a good personality, and they really are here to benefit you as a trader. Start to watch their content and start figuring out, and make sure you go back in time as well. And like, don't just click on their like most recent videos, because you will just get really confused. Like, go on the ones that are like beginner friendly. And then when you've started to watch, I would say 30 minutes a day. If you can do 30 minutes of trading content a day, then you are consistent, you are disciplined, and you are dedicated to become a trader. If they have a course and you have the funds to be able to buy that course, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I will say investing in yourself is going to be the best investment you can ever give to your life. So if you like this content and you're like, well, actually, I've sat here and I've been disciplined for 30 minutes a day, I would say for at least 1 month, because 1 month is showing you that this is something you're really interested in and something you really want to do. Definitely go and invest in a course, because now you're going to learn everything. Like, you're not going to learn everything on YouTube, because there are people out there that want to give things for free. You might just find like some technical stuff, but you need to literally go through something from what is currency. You need to know what drives that coin that you're trading if it's currency. You just need to know literally the in and out of that pair you're trading, and that's going to be very hard to find on YouTube. After you've invested in your course, and if you don't want to invest in your course and you want to stick to YouTube videos, like I said, I would give yourself at least a month before even opening up a chart. If you've got someone that's showing you charts on their thing, that's fine, just watch it. But don't go and like download TradingView and start going on TradingView. And TradingView is a free software that you can do your chart analysis online, which is great, so write that down. But don't go and download TradingView, open up the charts, because what you're going to do now is you're going to give yourself analysis paralysis. You're going to literally overload your brain with things that you don't need to know. You're going to start now focusing on the charts, and then you're going to be like, oh, I understand it. I want to drop some money in the market. And you don't know anything about trading. So really, really try not to confuse yourself and start doing absolutely everything. Focus on the mindset aspect and focus on the study and learning aspect before you go and open the charts and deposit your money to that broker. So another thing you want to do is, once you've discovered your why, you've worked on your mindset, because you don't want to just learn how to trade. You need to learn how to figure out what's going on in your brain, right? Once you've done your mindset aspect of it, once you've found your one person on YouTube, once you've invested into a course, you've downloaded your TradingView, after 1 month, you can then download MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, and you can now demo trade and play around with how to learn. And when I say demo trade, I only mean demo trade to learn how to enter and exit trades. That's the only reason you should be demo trading. The same as backtesting. Backtesting on TradingView, it should only be to learn and to study, right? So do the same with demo trading, because otherwise you will then be using an unrealistic amount to enter the trade. And then when it comes to your real life money, you don't have that. And now you're attached to this money outcome. And when you don't get that with your real life money, you will blow account after account after account, because you're not going to get emotionally attached to this free demo money that's costing you nothing. If you lose an account, you can just make another one. Like, really focus on only using demo trading to learn how to get in and out of the market, and that is it. Once you have done that, go and do your research into finding a regulated broker. And when I say regulated broker, there are offshore brokers that are connected to prop firms, and prop firms is something that can give you money. And prop firms are great. Utilize prop firms. And if you don't know what a prop firm is, it's basically a company that you prove yourself as a trader and they will fund you cash. And you can then make money on top and make your money back and capitalize your own trading account. And that is what you should always do when it comes to prop firms. Make your money with prop firms and also invest into your own account with the minimum deposit if you don't have a lot of money, and start to compound your own account with all your payouts that you're getting from prop firms. Don't go and spend money on a 100k prop firm account if you can't even pass a 10k. Focus on the most minimum account on a prop firm before you go and buy a 100k account. I would definitely say look at FTMO because they have been around for ages and they are the most legit on the market. And then there are so many other prop firms, but just be very mindful and very careful because at the moment we're going through like a prop firm crisis. I can't even lie. There is literally prop firm after prop firm is diminishing off the market. So I would suggest going to FTMO. Make sure you read the terms and conditions and you don't just click I agree to terms and conditions. Read them because if there's something in there saying you can't hold your trade for the weekend and you are a swing trader, because they're a different type of trading again, which you will learn from the person that you learn on YouTube, make sure that you are reading the terms and conditions, because I didn't at the start and then I was like, why is the market going against me? Why is this broker out to get me? No, just stop making excuses. So prop firms and own capital, that is what we are working towards. Moving on, stay away from social media. Like, the social media trading industry at the moment is disgusting. I cannot express enough how upset I am to even class myself as someone that trades when social media is literally portraying trading to be so negative and just so fake. Like, people are making it seem like you can literally buy a Lamborghini within a year of trading and that you literally can get a 100k payout after your first day of trading. Like, this is not realistic. And everyone on Twitter and everyone on X is dragging each other. Like, just be mindful of the content you follow if you're gonna stay on social media. And if you feel like you're someone that finds yourself scrolling for a long time, go on a social media cleanse, especially for the first month while you're learning how to trade. Because I went on a social media cleanse and I do this quite often every few months, and it's the best thing I ever do because I just really focus on me and the things that I'm trying to achieve in my life. Social media really just makes us watch other people's lives, and what we do is we get caught up thinking, this is what I need to be. You think people are perfect. You start to doubt yourself. You start to fear your reality, and it's just not good. So just be careful when you're on social media. I would definitely say while you're learning, go on a social media break. Another thing is don't even tell people around you learn how to trade, because everyone and their nan has traded or has tried or has lost money in the market or knows someone that has. And they're always gonna have a negative approach when it comes to you telling them, oh, by the way, I started this new trading thing. I swear trading is a scam. Like, why are you even trading? Like, no one makes money through that. It's all fake. It's a pyramid scheme. Like, yes, stay away from marketing companies, people that are trying to make you pay money to get into this company and then you have to bring people in to get paid. You don't want to do that. You want to do the real trading, the real learning. But this is why you just avoid telling people that you're learning how to trade, because people will just give you negative vibes, and you don't need that when you're learning how to trade. You need to be in the best mindset and be really positive and just know that this is going to be your life and that you're going to prove people wrong. So the last thing I want to say, which is my key points, is that don't cap yourself on how long you will be learning. I still watch podcasts, which is a great one, by the way. I still watch podcasts. I still read financial books, trading books. I still even go back to the course I learned from. And I'll tell you why. Because the person I was 4 years ago when I started is not the person I am today. So I'm going to learn and look at different things in different ways when I actually evolve as a human. So never cap when you should stop learning. You should always learn and gain knowledge as a human. Now, to go back to everything we're saying, I just want to say to you, like, when you are looking for that strategy, when you're looking for that person, I mean, there's so many strategies out there. I have a very basic strategy. I would say it's literally a naked strategy. It's pure price action. It's support and resistance, trend lines, and the way that the candlesticks move, the way they close, and literally the patterns that they provide in the market. And I love this, and I'll tell you why, because it's not confusing. Of course, trading is hard, and I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say trading is easy. Trading is difficult, but I feel like if I had 100 indicators on my chart and I was doing all of this ICT stuff, and I'm not saying ICT is bad at all, but for me, I have ADHD, OCD, and I'm also someone that I get bored quite easy, and I also want an easy life. So all of these extra things, I know I can't do them. I need something super simple. So find something that works for you. I would say go down the simple route, and then if you don't like it, then change it. And the content you come across, they're gonna teach you their trading style. And if you like it, then great. And if you feel like this is too confusing, then find someone else. But don't switch and strategy hop every 2 months, because you're never gonna learn how to trade. Just like maybe the first day you're looking for someone, find the personality and the style that they have, and really just like figure out, oh, I like this. Yeah, I'm attracted to this one. Yeah, this is the one I wanna do. And stick to it. I just want to say, and I want to make this so clear, trading is not easy, it is hard. But if you lock in and you really listen to everything that I've said in this video so far, you can generate some serious income when it comes to trading. So do not give up if you go through failing points, if you end up losing money in the markets, if you fail a prop firm challenge, if you're finding it difficult. These are all things that you will go through as a newbie when it comes to trading. You need to rewire your brain as a profitable trader. And I would suggest you go back through my content, because I have for sure dropped some gems. My content is beginner friendly, and it's also for people that are already trading. And I just feel like you watching my content is going to rewire your mindset, because I'm so heavily on mindset, and I'm not showing all my charts, and I'm not showing payouts and doing all this confusing stuff that's just going to make you like excited. I'm really teaching you guys how to rewire your brain. And on that note, every Monday I drop mindset content, and every Friday I drop financial, business, and trading content. So do you think you're ready? Like, are you really ready to be one of those traders that do not give up within 90 days? If you're a new trader and you've never traded but you want to learn how, or you're confused, or you just want to watch this content just to understand a little bit more about trading, drop I am ready in the comments section, because I want you to come back in 6 months and tell me and yourself how you're doing. And I hope you don't give up. I really hope that me as a person can influence you that trading is worth it if you stick to it and don't give up. I'm gonna give you some homework, and this is just to recap on everything we've spoken about, but this is homework. I hope you've took notes throughout the video, but this is the most important part that you now need to do for you. So you've watched the video, and now what you need to do is you need to write down your why. That is your homework. Why do you want to learn how to trade? Figure out what type of trader you want to be, whether that's currency, crypto, options, and so forth. What trader do you want to be? If you're new here, go back and watch my content. It's all free, and it's going to help you to rewire your brain, your mind, your subconscious mind, strip your paradigm to be the best version of yourself, to elevate your mindset, and to become a profitable trader. And don't forget to take notes, because you need to get yourself a pen and a paper, or even on your phone, and take notes, because there are gems within everything you watch and everything you read. So take notes. Find yourself a YouTuber that is someone you connect with, that you can learn and grow from. And then you want to buy their course only if you can afford it. Please don't buy this course and then you've literally spent your rent on this course thinking you're going to trade and make money within a month. That is not how it works. Only buy a course if you can afford it. Like, even if you have to save for 4 months and buy this course, and don't go and spend 10 grand on a course, please. There are courses out there for under £200. Like, please just be mindful of the things you're doing. And then you want to download your softwares, TradingView, MT4, MT5, you want to find yourself a broker and all of that stuff. So this is your homework. If you fail, Don't give up, keep going. The best business owners, they have failed, and they have not gave up before they've become successful. So don't give up. Like all the traders I know, they have lost money in the markets, they have failed, and they have been trading for years. And I'm telling you, half of them didn't know what they was doing, or they weren't following the right people, and they had bad mindsets when it comes to trading, and that's why it took them so long to become profitable. Even me, I reckon it would have took me at least 2 years to really like make profits and really have a great mindset if I followed the right people at the start. And I just want to say, like, give trading time. Like, people don't give trading time. They will be in this within 90 days and they will give up within 30 to 60 days. Facts. And you need to think of it like this. People go to college and then to university for years to become a doctor, to become a nurse, a midwife, X, Y, and Z. So don't give up trading just because it's getting hard or it's getting confusing. You actually have to take this as, like, you know, you're doing the course, you bought the course, like, invest in yourself. You have to take this as a really serious thing, not just, oh, because it's on YouTube and it's free, I don't really care, I'm just gonna give up, it's not for me. Like, if you really wanna do this and you have that why, think of your why all the time. Look at it like this, all those people that go to university for years, athletes, they don't just, unless they're lucky, and some people are lucky, they don't just go and literally play for the best teams until they are proven to be great athletes. When people work jobs, it takes them years to get that promotion they've always desired. So give yourself time when it comes to trading. You have to be patient. And remember to be in your rich mindset. And on that note, on Monday, I am dropping how to be in your rich girl and rich boy era. So literally come back for that on Monday, because that's going to be out and that's going to go hand in hand with the video that you are watching right now. I hope this has literally gave you tips and it's really gave you some type of motivation to not give up and to actually learn, and the things you need to do when it comes to learning how to trade, and you're not lost and you're not confused. I feel like this video can really give you direction if you use it properly. And on that note, I'm about to end the video, and of course I'm going to end with an affirmation. And the affirmation for today's video is, I am ready and confident that trading is able to change my life if I stay motivated, disciplined, and consistent. I hope you all have a blessed day, and if you like this video, drop a comment below. And don't forget to say I am ready if you are ready to become a profitable trader. Peace and love always. Take care.